Delikadong pangaharang na may intensyong mambangga. Ganito inilarawan ng Philippine Coast Guard ang panibagong harassment ng China sa Bajo de Masinloc. Para sa National Maritime Council, tila pinipilit na gawing normal ng China ang mga ganyang klaseng aktibidad sa West Philippine Sea. May unang balita si Tina Panganiban Perez.
China Coast Guard Vessel 21612. This is Philippine Coast Guard Vessel BRP Cabra.
Ang BRP Cabra ng Philippine Coast Guard muling nakatapat sa West Philippine Sea ang barko ng China Coast Guard. Mahigit 130 nautical miles mula sa Zambales, ni-radio challenge ng PCG ang barko ng China. At sagot ng CCG,
"This is China Coast Guard Vessel 21612. China has indefatigable sovereignty over the Haiyan Island and its adjacent waters."
ang Huang Yan na tinutukoy ng China Coast Guard, tawag nila sa Bajo de Masinloc na bahagi ng Exclusive Economic Zone ng Pilipinas at mahigit 36 nautical miles mula sa kinaroroonan ng dalawang barko. Ayon sa PCG, binilisan ng barko ng China ang takbo nito at hinarangan ang daanan ng BRP Cabra.
They really intend to ram and collide with the Philippine Coast Guard vessel. And again, because of the seamanship skills ng ating commanding officer, who is a female officer, at ng kanyang mga crew, we were able to prevent the China Coast Guard from directly ramming our Coast Guard vessel.
Tumanggi ang PCG na idetalya mga susunod nitong hakbang, pero naniniwala itong hindi na palalalain ng China ang tensyon.
The moment that they elevate the tension, it might get the attention of the international community. So, ma-disrupt yung plano nilang normalization of illegal patrol.
Muling na-monitor ng PCG ang Chinese research vessel na Zhongshan Dashu sa loob ng EEZ sa Batanes. Anila, paglabag yan sa United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea at Philippine Maritime Zones Act.
It entered the exclusive economic zone of our country last April 2. And then since April 3, they came up with this reverse D navigation pattern. Out of more than 10 times that we conducted radio challenge, the Chinese research vessel never responded.
Tingin ng National Maritime Council, pilit ginagawang normal ng China ang panghihimasok sa maritime zone ng bansa.
They're trying to do these things under the cover of legality. Our Coast Guard is doing very well by counter-challenging them.
Ikinababahala rin ng NMC ang mga drone na natagpuan sa dagat ng Pilipinas.
There is a 55 to 80% likelihood that this was deployed by the Chinese Communist Party. They have the capability to receive, to process, to store, and to transmit data through satellite communications to a station on land, to a mothership, or to other drones.
Ilan sa electrical components ng drone gawa raw ng Chinese defense companies. Ang SIM card naman na nahanap, huling nag-transmit daw ng data papuntang mainland China.
There was an iridium transceiver with serial number HWA Create. HWA Create is a company that focuses on defense, civil, government, and industrial solutions, the headquarters of which is in Beijing. There was a China Telecom SIM card.
Wala pang pahayag ang Chinese Embassy tungkol dito. Ito ang unang balita. Tina Panganiban Perez para sa GMA Integrated News.
Igan, mauna ka sa mga balita, mag-subscribe na sa GMA Integrated News sa YouTube para sa iba't ibang ulat sa ating bansa.